Let's take a look at the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible AMOLED display. Both the S21 and S21 Plus have displays that are flat with minimal bezels, vivid colors, and super smooth refresh rate. Now let's take a look at the back of the phone. You'll immediately notice a new camera design. It houses a triple camera system that is versatile for your everyday photo and video needs. Here on the S21 Plus in Phantom Violet, the camera housing blends into the side frame. The S21 is, of course, smaller than the S21 Plus, but both give you a large display experience in a compact form factor. And they have a haze finish, which means less fingerprints. Here's the whole new range of exciting colors on the S21 and the S21 Plus. These are great smartphones for your everyday, and more. This was a first up-close look at the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus.
Let's take a closer look at the latest Galaxy devices. Here's the all-new Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's turn it on. The S21 Ultra is secured by Knox. Doesn't that sound satisfying? It's a large screen device, but it's easy to hold in one hand. This one is Phantom Black. It has this very unique haze glass finish. It's kind of hard to describe with a single word, but one thing's certain. It's really premium to the touch. The contour cut camera housing wraps around the side to become one with the frame. You won't find this on any other device. The S21 Ultra has an Infinity O display with super slim bezels. The screen to body ratio is really impressive. Wondering how big the Ultra is compared to other models? It's about a finger's height taller than the S21. The S21 Ultra has 4 cameras, including 2 telelenses with 3x and 10x optical zoom. The dynamic AMOLED 2X display at up to 1500 nits is super bright. Just look at the contrast compared to the S20 Ultra. And with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz, you get smooth, lag-free scrolling. The S21 Ultra brings S Pen support to the S series for the very first time. There's the standard S Pen and the S Pen Pro, and a variety of other cool collaboration designs. If you're an S Pen fan, you're gonna love this. The S21 Ultra also comes in Phantom Silver. And then there are 3 custom color models that come with a specially designed camera housing. Up close, this housing has a micro-engraved texture. It kind of looks like a carbon fiber weave, but it's something you've never experienced before. It's eye-catching. The Ultra line is synonymous with the best of the best in the Galaxy lineup, and the S21 Ultra doesn't disappoint. This was a first up-close look at the Galaxy S21 Ultra.
I am so proud to introduce the Galaxy S21.
A smartphone that makes the everyday epic. A contour cut design, portraits and selfies, 8K video snap, director's view. One UI 3 brings joy to your everyday. Both models can be yours on January 29th.
You better go, get it.
Introducing Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Gotta have it. You better go, get it.
Our goal is to help everyone take pro-quality photos and videos.
With its upgraded 108 megapixel image sensor. Innovative dual zoom combines mid-range 3x optical zoom.
Most powerful processor, amazing display, and of course, our incredible pro-grade camera. Phantom Black is our boldest color yet. The first ever S-Series device compatible with the S Pen.
Open collaboration across an open platform is a core principle for us.
An Ultra device on January 29th for $11.99.
Through Android Auto, making it easier than ever to bring the power of your smartphone to your car. Digital car keys unlock a world of possibilities.